Good Monday afternoon, and thank you so much for joining us for News 19 at noon. I'm Darcy Strickland. We start today with news from the FDA, today marking a major landmark in the fight against COVID. The FDA has given the Pfizer vaccine full approval, taking it beyond emergency use authorization. More than 200 million doses have already been administered in the U.S. since emergency use began in December, giving the FDA a historic amount of evidence to judge the shot's safety. Dr. Ashish Jha talks about what impact this could have on the vaccination rate.
And I actually think it's going to end up making a pretty big difference. I mean, for some people, the emergency use has been a barrier to getting vaccinated. And for a lot of companies and businesses and schools, they have been waiting for this full approval before mandating vaccines. So I think it's going to set off a whole new wave of vaccinations, which I think will be very helpful given where we are as a country.
Dr. Jha goes on to say this could help lift public confidence in vaccinations and lead to more companies issuing vaccine requirements. To date, more than 170 million eligible Americans are vaccinated against COVID-19. However, that still leaves under 49% of the country unvaccinated. While health officials are urging you to get the COVID-19 vaccine, many people have different reasons for saying no. The reasons vary between worrying about side effects, believing unverified information online, or waiting for full FDA approval. However, health officials say misinformation is really affecting the amount of life-saving vaccines being distributed.
This is authorized for use and is the best vetted vaccine that we've ever had. Plus now it's been given to billions of people around the globe and to hundreds of millions of people in the US without much problem. For most people who tell you that this is not approved and this vaccine is experimental, means that they either don't understand the process or they want to confuse or scare people. And there's unfortunately a lot of them.
Well, South Carolina is behind the national average when it comes to vaccines, but new data shows more people are deciding to get the shot. DHEC reports 54.7% of the eligible population has received at least one dose of the COVID-19 vaccine. That's up 2 percentage points. It may be a small increase, but it's growing faster than the number of those fully vaccinated, indicating that more people are opting to get their first dose.